Hello, my Kit Kats. Sorry. My friends say I should give my fan base, if there is any, a name, so I'm just gonna call you Kit Kats. In honor of one of my friends that called me that. So, oh my gosh, I'm so happy because I got a package from Kimchi Chic. I ordered it because I'm poor and I don't have a fan base like that. But like, as soon as I kind of like opened it a little bit, and I saw it, like I was so happy, like really happy. So I was thinking like maybe I should like record this and show it off because I don't know, I'm just really happy about it. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh, that's so cute. You get a little sticker. That is so adorable. I saw this pictures on her art and stuff, like on her palettes, and that's so freaking adorable. Oh my gosh. I'd probably put it like on my computer or journal or something. Somewhere I could see it every day. That's so cute. Oh my god. Oh, in time for like, oh my gosh. I got the high key gloss. See it. Oh my god. I'm so excited for this. I wonder if you can see the name right. The high key gloss. I got the goji berry and the apple. Let's see. Focus on one. Sorry. It's a lot of work sometimes to get these to show. Oh, this is so cute. I like the wrapping paper. Oh my god, kimchi. I mean, like, I started watching RuPaul Drag Race for the first time during this quarantine. Like, I saw a little bit of it, like, of the first season, like, 2015, 16 or something. And, like, I thought it was kind of cool, but I only saw a little bit. But I finally able to catch up all the way to season 12 and during quarantine. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Kimchi say, are you all done with your makeup? Before you leave, don't forget to gloss up those juicy lips. Let's blind everyone with the shine. Ah, that's so cute. They're cruelty free, vegan, all that stuff. I don't really care about that, but that's cool. Also, sorry if you do care about that. I don't mean to belittle that in any way. I just mean like, it's nothing big to me, but like, I know it's important for, you know, those people that cares. And I'm glad you're being supported. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my gosh, Open this. I got one open. It's so cute. Oh my god, so happy. I wonder if I should try them out with my bad makeup skills. Because I don't know how to put lips on, but I'm willing to try. Oh my gosh. Okay, I try. Give it a little test. Should I do I don't know how to do a swatch. Okay, I do a swatch on my hand. Oh my god, that's kind of cute. Oh. These are the colors. Goji berry and apple. Oh my god, they're so pigmented. I think I'm gonna try on goji berry. Hopefully I put it on right. But I don't know about lips, so let's see. Oh wow. So bad, I know, but like, wow, it get most of your, it probably could get your whole lip with one swatch, but like, I'm bad. I took two, but look good. Oh my god. Okay, I'll try the next one. Go try the next one. Okay, I'm gonna try the next one. Oh my god, see what apple look like. Oh wow, I fucks with it. Oh wow. Oh, I'm so happy with this. What the heck? I'm very happy with the apple one. Shit. Oh wow. Oh, my lip actually kind of look good. Need more practice though, but like, you know, I'm still learning. Anyway, that's my little quick review, I guess. Anyways, that's my quick little review. So I hope you guys enjoy. So bye, my Kit Kats. Hi guys, also forgot to mention I got this sticker too. I know it's not really worth like adding this in, but like, I don't know, I just think it's super cute. I might check out more Kimchi Chic product because I don't know, I'm very happy and like I feel like, I don't know, her product's really good, so I enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.